Lindsay Weeks, 5th grade, Taylor's Elementary. Using quality tools in the classroom has opened up a world of doors for me and my students. Communication has improved tremendously through the use of the bone diagram, the parking lot, the plus delta, and the consensogram. It's allowed students to provide me with feedback that I can use for their learning, also that I can use to lesson plan. My students are also able to take responsibility for their own learning when we use bone diagrams to evaluate classroom situations and through a creation of our classroom mission statement. One of my favorite pieces, though, is the data notebook. Using these data notebooks allows students to track their progress in certain areas like attendance, behavior, and different achievement areas. They set goals for themselves that in turn motivates them in the classroom. At our school, we have student-led conferences where the data notebook serves as a key piece that students enjoy showcasing to their parents. Throughout my classroom, I have a lot of great examples of quality tools used. One of the first things I have is our bounce back station. This is our behavior management where if a student needs to bounce back because of their behavior, they come to the station in every teacher's classroom, they read the directions that are provided, and then they have to write about a think sheet that they have just reflecting on their behavior. One of the most important pieces, and it's definitely been very helpful this year. Next, on the bulletin board over here, we've got some Imagineering quality tools where the students had to imagine what a quality student was, what were some traits of a quality student. I kind of directed them a little bit and told them that they needed to think of something that they specifically needed to work on, and then they had to make it look like themselves. Also, we have the parking lot here where we have had to most recently evaluate some of our lunchroom behavior and some of our homework, as well as transitioning between math. There's only one thing posted on there, but sometimes it's used a little bit more. The plus delta we've not used quite as much this year yet. Continuing to move through the classroom, I've got a Lotus diagram posted on my board where I write all of my essential questions for the day. The Lotus diagram is a great organizational tool that helps me when I'm writing, and in the middle I put my date, and then on the outside I put all of my essential questions for that day.